So this is our chart in a bullish market. Market momentum is a bullish and market continue pushing higher high. As we know, to confirm any break of structure, market must be break the previous major high and close our bid. So this become our valid break of structure. And now where is our impulse and correction? In this case, you can see here market momentum is a bullish and market take a pullback is here and then push higher. Market must be taken out the first pullback, which one is here, right? Market taken out the pullback and this low act like our inducement, and after taking out the inducement, our higher high is a confirm here. Again market push downside and this higher low confirm when market break the previous major high and close our bid. So this become our valid break of structure. In this case, where is our inducement? You have to identify where is our inducement. After taking out the inducement, we can confirm our higher high. So in this case, where is our first pullback? Okay, so our IDM is here. Why? This one is our IDM. Why? Because this is not a valid pullback. As we know, we have learned in a chapter 1, market at least taken out the previous candle low to confirm a valid pullback. So this is not a valid pullback because this candle high is here and low is here. Market not break this previous candle low. So this is not a valid pullback. Actual inducement is here. If market create any pullback, for example here, okay, then market taken out this inducement. So this inducement is not valid here. This inducement will be transferred here to here. Okay, and the next scenario is here. If market not create any other inducement and then market push downside like this and taken out this pullback, and then market continue go higher and break this structure and close of it. So this become our valid break of structure. So let's see what happened next after this one. Let's see. All right. Okay. First of all, extend this one. And now you can see market not taking out this inducement and market trying to push higher. So this one is not a confirm higher high. You have to wait for to confirm higher high in this case. So let's see what will be happen next after this one. All right. So now you can see previous high break this one, and this is not a break of structure. Why? Because there is no inducement taken out. Then how you can mark as a break of structure? So to confirm any higher high, to confirm a break of structure, market at least taken out the inducement. So in this leg, you can see this is not inducement, as we know in a part 1, because this one is a not valid pullback. This was our inducement, which is not taken out by this move. So this is not a valid pullback. If market taken out this pullback is here like this, for example, let me show you exactly, then you can understand. For example, market taken out this inducement, something like this. So this become our valid break of structure and this become our valid higher high. But market not taken out this inducement, so this is not a break of structure, and this move act like a single leg move like this, something. This move count as a like this move. Okay, and now we can see here previous high broken. It means this is our internal structure, right? So in this leg, you have to identify where is our first pullback. First pullback is here. Okay, this one. If market in the future, if market taken out the first pullback, at least this pullback, and this is our actual pullback, but the first pullback we count as a inducement to confirm any higher high, to confirm any lower low. So let's mark this inducement is here, and this inducement will be transferred here to here. Why? Because this inducement is not valid here, because market create new inducement at this point. If market taken out this inducement, our higher high will be confirmed here. So let's see what happened next here. As you can see here, market taken out this inducement. Now we have arranged this is our new higher high at this point, and this is our higher high is here. Now this is an inducement. Now we have arranged this low to this high. This is our single leg move. So if market break this low, or okay, and then market push higher high and break this one, and this become our valid break of structure, and maybe market continue go higher, something like this, and create new structure, and this become our valid break of structure. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, so market still pushing downside, and still market momentum is a bullish, and market always taken out the liquidity, taken out the inducement before continuation go higher or lower. So right now momentum is looking for the upside. So at this point, as you can see here, this is our valid break of structure at this point. Why? Because market close above it. If market taken out the previous high and close above it, so this become our valid break of structure. After break of structure, you have to identify where is our higher low in a bullish market. So where is our higher low? You have to identify deepest point in this leg. Where is our higher low? So this is our higher low because this is our lowest point. This is become our higher low because this is our lowest point, and do not mark this is our higher low because some people mark this is our higher low because market break the structure and mark the recent low as our higher low. No, this is a not higher low. Higher low means deepest point, which one is here after break of the structure. So this move something like this. Let me show you exactly. This move like this one and like this, okay, and this, right? And you can see this is not a break of structure as we explained here. Now let's see what happened next here after break of structure. If market continue pushing upside, okay, and create new inducement, so where is our inducement in this leg? You can see there are lot of pullback is here, something like this, okay. So where is our inducement? First pullback. Where is our first pullback? Is here, okay. Why? Because this one is our first pullback after break of structure. You have to wait for break of structure to confirm inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, our higher high will be confirmed here. So this one is our inducement. If market taken out this inducement, our higher high will be confirmed here. To taken out inducement, market can be sweep the inducement and market can be closed. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. So now we have a new inducement. Where is our new inducement? At this point. Why? Because market create new pullback to the upside, and this is our single leg move. You can say as a impulsive move, correct? Once market taken out the pullback, so this become our corrective move as per the structure mapping. So this is our pullback, small pullback, right? Why? Because these two candles equal high is here and this low broken by this candle, and this become our valid inducement is here, right? So this is our valid inducement. In this case, this candle high is here and this candle low is here, and someone mark this is our pullback. No, this is not a valid pullback because this is our inside candle of the previous candle. High or low is not broken, which is actual high or low. You can understand more better if you read 3.0 new ebook, and also you can understand more better if you watch part 1 very carefully, where I explain these all things in a details, right? So that's why this is our valid inducement. If market taken out this inducement, our higher high will be confirmed here. But remember one more thing, where is our change of character? As per the structure mapping, where is our change of character? Actual high is here and actual low is here, means which is measure high or low. If market taken out this inducement, our higher high will be confirmed here. But if market just break this low, right, and close below it, if market close below it, this become our change of character. If market not close below it, just taken out the previous low, right? So this is our liquidity sweep. Sometime market taken out the previous major low but not close below it, so this become our liquidity sweep. And now you can shift our structure here to here, right? Because new high and new low will be transferred here. If you are mapping the structure something like this, okay, so this become invalid, right? So this move will be like, right? So right now you can see here market momentum is a bullish and market trying to push higher, and if market taken out the inducement, then we can buy here because market momentum is a bullish. We are not buying here actually, but this is a just example to understand about structure mapping. So let's see what happened next here. Now you can see market taken out the inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, where is our higher high? At this point. Why? Because market taken out the inducement. Now we have range between this low to this high, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. So you can see here market break the previous high, which one is here, and close above it. Once market close above it, this become our valid break of structure. In this case, where is our higher low? Because this is our higher high, and higher low will be confirmed when market break the previous high. So this point become our higher low because this is our deepest and lowest point is here in this move. So this is our higher low, not here, because this is our lowest point, and market push higher, break the previous high and close above it, and after close of a wick you have to identify where is our inducement, where is our actual high and low. So in this leg you can see where is our pullback. You can see at this point where is our pullback, this one. Why? Because this one is a first pullback in this leg. Maybe market can create new pullback something like this and go higher. Okay, so this become our new inducement and maybe create another one. So this become our new inducement will be transferred here to here. Okay, why? Because market momentum is a bullish. Right now only one pullback is here in this leg, which is here. If market taken out this inducement, our higher high will be confirmed here. But if market break this previous yellow point, which is our higher low, and close below it, this become our change of character. I'm talking about only structure mapping. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this move. You have to wait for to taken out the inducement. As you can see here, market taken out this inducement is here. Now our higher high is a confirm here at this point. Why this higher high is a confirm? Because market taken out the inducement. This is our pullback. Market taken out this one, and now we have arranged this high to this low. In case if market break this major low, which one is here, and break this low and close below it, right? If market close below it, so this become our valid change of character. Now you can see partially sweep the previous low. Okay, but you have to wait for it to confirm a valid change of character, right? So let's see what happened next here. Now as you can see here, market break the major low is here. After break the major low, this point become our change of character is here, and this change of character not confirm here by this taken out this low. This change of character is a confirm here at this point, right? But technically this is a part of this leg. Which one is here? You can expand here something like this, right? So this is our change of character. Now we have arranged this is a higher high and this is our higher low, which is broken by this move, right? So where is our lower low? In this case you have to identify where is our lower low. Lower low, when market taken out the inducement, then our lower low will be confirmed here. So in this case, after this valid change of character, where is our first pullback? You can see in this case there are a lot of pullback, but you have to identify where is our first pullback. Only one. Which one? This one or this one? This one is not a valid pullback, and this one is our valid pullback. Why? You can zoom this part, and now I'm going to show you exactly why this one is a valid. Because this move is our valid a pullback. Why? Because previous candle taken out this high, so this become our valid pullback, and this candle high is here and low is here. And this move is our inside move of this previous candle high and low. If market create anything between the previous candle high and low, which is not a valid pullback, this is a invalid, right? So this one is our valid inducement because this candle taken out the previous candle high. So this become our first pullback, which one is here. Now let's see what happened next after this move. Then you can mark actual lower low in a structure. So let's see, maybe market can create a new a valid inducement one more time. Let's see. Okay, now you can see here at this point where is our inducement. This inducement will be transferred at this point. Why this one? Because this one is our valid pullback. You can see here previous candle high taken out by this move, and then market push higher, and finally market break the previous low, which was here at this point. Let me show you exactly this one. Right, so this move something like this, right? If market taken out this inducement, okay, then our lower low will be confirmed here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this move. Okay, now you can see here market taken out this inducement at this point, and after taking out the inducement, our lower low will be confirmed. Where is our lower low? This one. Because market momentum market momentum change bullish to bearish, because this one is our change of character. Now we have a range between this low, now we have a range between this low to this high, right? And this is our single leg move. So this one is our corrective move. Maybe market can push higher. If market taken out this high or anything, doesn't matter, market is still bearish, okay, until broken this actual high. Okay, let's see what happened next here after this move. Market trying to push higher, and market still bearish until taken out the previous major low, which is mark here, right? And now you can see market trying to push higher, and some people mark this is a chalk or pause like this. This is internal structure, and this is not a chalk or pause anything. This is our single leg move, and this will be our corrective move because market break this change of character. Okay, if market break this actual high, which one is here, and close above it, so this one is also called change of character because market was bullish and convert into bearish and then again turn into bullish, right? So you have to wait for to confirm a structure. If market push downside and close below it, this become our break of structure. Why? Because bullish, then market turn into bearish. So let's see what happened next after this move. Okay, now let's see what happened next here. Okay, finally market break this low, and after break this low, what happened here? Market break this low and close below it. So this become our continuation. Market turn into bullish to bearish, and after candle closure is here, you have to identify where is our inducement. In this leg, where is our lower high and where is our inducement? First of all, mark our lower high. Lower high means highest point in this leg. Okay, in this move, where is our highest point? So in this case, you can see here, this is our highest point because after break this structure means a change of character, market push higher high till this point, and then market completely push downside and break the previous low and close below it. So this become our break of structure. Only first move is a called change of character. So in this leg, you have to identify is the next part is inducement. Where is inducement? Inducement means first pullback after break of structure, after change of character. I'm talking about only structure mapping. In this case, where is inducement? Inducement is here because after break of structure, this one is our first pullback, which is must be taken out to confirm a new lower low. If market not taken out this inducement, and market can be create new inducement, something like this, okay, maybe more push downside. So first pullback is always called inducement, and this inducement will be transferred here to here like this. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this move. Okay, now you can see here market create new pullback is here. So where is our inducement? This one, because this one is our first pullback is here after break of structure. And let's see, you have to wait for taken out the inducement, then you can continue switching the inducement like this. Okay, so this one is our inducement right now, and let's see what happened next here. Where is our next inducement? Is here at this point, right? Because this one is our next pullback. This bullish candle taken out the previous candle low, and then this bearish candle taken out this bullish candle high. So this is our valid pullback. This one is our inducement. If market taken out the inducement, our lower low will be confirmed here. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, market create another inducement. Which one is here? Why this one? Even market not break this high, then why this is an inducement? Because these equal low are similar, means this bearish candle low and this bullish candle low both are similar. That's why this is our valid inducement is here, and you can say this is our valid pullback is here, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, finally market taken out this inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, our lower low confirm here. This lower low is a confirm here. Now you can see, so this become our lower low and this become our lower high. Now we have range between this is here, and this is our impulsive move, and this was our corrective move, and this was also impulsive move, right? Impulse and correction and continuation. Now we can again market break this low and close below it. So this become also a break of structure. So let's see what happened next after this move. If market break this high, right, and close above it, so this become also a change of character, but market must be close above it. If not close above it, that's not a change of character, which will be count as a liquidity sweep. So let's see what happened next after this move. Okay, all right. So finally market break this low and this become our break of structure at this point. All right. So this one is our break of structure, lower low, and this is our lower high at this point, because this is our highest point. In this case, you can see here after break of structure, you have to identify where is our pullback. In this leg, where is our inducement? Means pullback, inducement, both are similar thing, right? So where is our inducement? This one. Why? Because this one is our first pullback after break of structure. This is not a valid break of structure because the larger candle is here, which low is not broken by this candle. So this one is not a valid. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, market continue pushing downside. All right, market trying to create a new pullback is here, and you can say inducement. Okay, all right. So market create new inducement at this point, and then what happened? Market break this low, which is not a break of structure. This is our single leg move is here. Okay, but market creating something like this move. Okay, but market must be taken out the first pullback to confirm a lower low in a bearish market. So let's see what happened next here. All right, market continue pushing downside. Okay, let's see. All right, at this point market again trying to create a new inducement. Right now we have an inducement at this point, but let's see what happened next here. Again market create new inducement at this point. Now you can see this is our impulsive move. This is only one single leg is here, and market create this inducement at this point. Why is this inducement? Because market create this low move, something like this, right? So if market taken out this inducement, we can confirm our lower low at this point. If market create new pullback is here, right? So this become our new inducement at this point. But let's see what happened next after this move. You can see market create new pullback at this point. Finally market break the previous low is here. Okay, so you have to mark this one, this high and this low. If anything happened between this high or low, this is an internal structure. You have to identify high and low which is broken here. So at this point you have to identify where is our recent pullback, which is here, right? So this one is our inducement. Now you can see this is a single leg move only. Okay, but let's see what happened next here. Finally market taken out this inducement. After taking out the inducement, our lower low is a confirm here, where at this point. Okay, so this become our lower low, and this is our only single leg move, and market take a pullback and push downside. But if market break this low, which is our lower low, if market break this low at this point and close below it, so this become our valid break of structure. If not break this low and not close below it, just pushing upside, market still bearish until broken the lower high, which is here. This is a yellow point, right? So let's see what happened next here after this move, then you can understand. All right, so this is interesting point is here. You can see market break this low but not close below it. So this is not a break of structure. So market must be close below it to confirm a valid break of structure. So you have to wait for to candle closer just below it at this point, this low, right? If market close below it, because this candle taken out the previous candle low. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this move. Okay, finally market break this low and close below it. So this become our valid break of structure at this point, and this high act like our lower high at this point. Let me remark this one is here. Okay, so this one is our lower high at this point, and now you can see after this lower high, after this valid break of structure, you have to identify where is our inducement. In this leg you have to identify right now where is our inducement. Inducement is here. Why? Because this one is our first pullback after break of structure. If market taken out this inducement, our lower low will be confirmed here. But if market break this actual high, which is here, so this become our change of character is here. So let's see what happened next here. Finally market taken out this inducement is here, and after taking out this inducement, where is our lower low at this point? Okay, so this is our lower low, and now you can see also market break the previous high, which one is here, and this become our change of character because market turn into bearish to bullish, right? If market again push higher, okay, if market push higher and continue create a new structure, something like this, okay, taken out the inducement, our new structure will be continue break of structure, something like this. Okay, but let's see what happened next here after this move. And one more thing you have to check here. In this case you can see here after change of character, where is our inducement in this leg. As you can see here, there is no valid pullback as per our pullback plan. This candle high is here and this candle low is here, and this is happening between this high or low, and this is not a valid pullback. But if market again push downside and break this low, for example break this low, then what will be happen here in this scenario, and what is structure in this case? So our structure will be transferred here to here. Okay, why? Because in this leg there is no inducement, okay, and this low is not count as a change of character, okay, and this high will be transferred here to here at this point like this, okay, and then our lower low will be also transfer the new inducement, everything, because in this leg there is no inducement. Sometime you can see these type of situation, then you can handle like this. But if market create any inducement is here, then this is a valid change of character. Okay, but let's see what happen next after this move. Or maybe if market create new inducement, for example here, okay, new inducement, taken out this inducement, go higher, this will become our higher high, higher low, and this one become our break of structure. Okay, so let's see what happened next here in this case. All right, so as you can see here at this point, what happened, market break this previous low, which is a just liquidity sweep. So in this case, this is a not a break of structure, this is a not change of character, this is a just low or high transferring here in this case, because in this case there was no inducement at this point. So actual high is here, right? This high will be transferred here, but this low will be also transfer, and this low is also will be transferred here to here, something like this. Let me show you exactly. Okay, and this low will be transferred here to here, and this is a not become structure or anything. This everything will be a transfer, like this inducement transfer here to here, right? And this is a not a change of character, just a normal structure, something like this, right? So this become our new structure, new thing, and this is our single leg move here to here, right? If market break this low and close below it, so become our new break of structure in this case. So you have to wait for to confirm a new structure, or maybe market create a new is here. Okay, so this become our valid break of structure in this case. And in this case, where is our change of character and where is our inducement? Change of character point is here, because this is our lower high. And where is our pullback? First pullback, where is our pullback in this leg? This one, right? Because this one is our valid pullback to confirm a lower low. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. In this case, market create new inducement at this point is here. Okay, let's see what happened next here. Okay, finally market taken out this inducement. After taking out the inducement, where is our lower low? At this one, right? So this one is our low, and this become our break of structure. This is our lower high. Now we have a range between this high to this low, and this is our single leg, right? So let's see what happened next here in this case. Okay, finally, all right. Okay, market trying to push higher high. If market break the previous measure high and close above it, which will be a change of character, because market turn bullish to bearish. So first of all, mark this high is here, right? So still market momentum is a bearish, but market close above it, so this become our valid change of character. Market must be close above it. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, so finally at this point, this candle close above it. When market close above it, this become our valid change of character. Market turn bearish to bullish. Now first market was bullish, then market turn into bearish. Now again market shift into bullish side. So these things will be continue in a bullish and bearish side, and again same thing, same process will be continue, same thing and same process will be continue here. This is a change of character. You have to wait for taking out the inducement, which one is here, taking out this inducement and go higher. This become our higher high, and this become our higher low, this become our break of structure. These things will be continue in upcoming chart, in upcoming markets. So everything will be continue as we know, right? So this is our structure mapping way, that how you can actually mark the structure is here, and how you can mark the inducement, how you can mark the lower high, higher high, and what is inducement, everything. Okay, so you can mark everything, and this is a process to marking the structure by mechanical true SMC structure. And these all internal structure is here, right? These are all internal structure. Don't try to mark this as a boss chalk anything, right? This is a not structure changing. This is an internal structure, and you can also play in lower time frame, which will be covered in entry types, that how you can play in both sides, like buy or sell during the bearish market, during the bullish market. But this is a chapter including all about structure mapping, that how you can structure mapping in a bullish market, in a bearish market, and what is inducement, what is lower low, lower high, and where is our valid boss and where is our invalid chalk, everything. You can rewatch this chapter multiple times, because this is a very interesting and very important topic to understand structure mapping. And I hope you learn a lot of new things and you can apply on your chart. And again and watch again and again. Don't try to switch into the next chapter before to confirm, before to clear this chapter 2. Okay, every chapter is a very important for you. First, identify valid pullback, valid boss, chalk, everything, right? Once these concept clear, then switch into the next chapter, and I hope you learn a lot of things. I will see you on the next chapter. Happy trading.